Hey, what's up, guys? Hope your day's going well. Sorry I wasn't able to do a video earlier. I was traveling. I'm going back to my wife's hometown, so spending some time with the family. But don't worry, I'll be doing some videos while I'm out here, okay? But today, the S&P filled the gap, guys. This is a good sign. This is healthy consolidation. We all knew, right, the markets got a little excessive, okay, and we needed a pullback to happen at some point, and it just happened, and I believe that most of that dip is over with now, okay? We saw, Tesla and Google. Tesla didn't have great earnings. Google, I thought was okay, but it still wasn't enough to keep up with how quickly the stock went up, guys. Remember, I always talk about that. Whenever a stock goes up quickly, it's important that they beat and raise on their earnings report, or else the stock usually will get punished for a bit, okay? But this is your opportunity, guys. These big cap names, right? Like Amazon, like Google, Nvidia, right? They have come down in price, or maybe you want to play QQQ, right? Which is playing the NASDAQ 100, right? This is the opportunity to buy in, especially if you're going long and you missed that initial rally. These are the opportunities to keep dollar cost averaging. Remember, you can't let fear get the best of you because, like I said, these companies are going to lead the way. They got tons of cash on their balance sheets. And yes, they are spending more money on AI right now, but who cares? That's going to pay off in the long run. Some may disagree with that. But I know we're still in the beginning of this AI boom, and these companies will continue to lead the way, okay? They can always buy those smaller companies and continue, with all the cash they have, buying back their own shares, okay? So don't let the dip scare you. Those big caps will be safe, and maybe they trade in a range for a while, but eventually it's only a matter of time before they go higher, guys, okay? But right now, it's the summer of the small caps, okay? It's going to happen. We got Friday PCE coming up, and that's why I'm saying before PCE on Friday, if you see that coming in lighter than expected, you want to buy Upstart now, guys. You want to be in this. Remember, this is one of the most interest rate sensitive stocks. They benefit from their personal loans, from their auto loans, HELOCs, right, from rates coming down, okay? So I will put this company up against any other company, and I bet Upstart will outperform the rest by 90 or at least 95% of them, okay, once an interest rate cut officially happens. So if you think it's going to happen, guys, Upstart took a huge dip back down to 25-ish, okay? So this is the time, like I said, if you want to make some money while it's pulled back, this is it right here. I'm loaded up heavily, guys, just so you know. So let's hope the PC comes in light. That's the key here, because if it doesn't, it's going to delay this a little bit, okay? But if it does come in lighter than expected, the stock's going to start flying higher again, and I think this could push, back up, at least retest where we were at, where it went up to like 32, okay? I do think it'll get to 35 and beyond eventually once there's an interest rate cut. We're getting closer, guys, and I wouldn't bet against Tom Lee right now. Have a good night.